Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be learning about the difference between forms and solid sketch by designing a simple object such as a cup. Here I have Game Boy Fahim with me. He plays Minecraft. You can watch his gameplays in the description below. Without any further ado, let's start designing. Let's begin with forms. Okay, let's start with forms. Okay, before that we'll set a timer to see which is faster. Is the forms method faster or sketches method faster, and which is more efficient. Okay, so let's set the timer. Let's start with forms. Start. Start. Okay, I'll be selecting the box here. I'll be selecting this plane, specifying 100 tab 100. Okay, that will do. Length faces 4, width faces 4, height faces 6. Okay, let's give height as 150. That looks good. Okay. Okay, now let's edit form. We need to make the handle. For making the handle, let's select these both edges. We need to connect them here. If you want to connect them there, okay, let's move them with Alt, pressing the Alt tab, because we don't need anything else. We just need those two faces. Let's rotate them above. Okay, let's again Alt them upwards. Let's again rotate them. Let's again Alt them inwards, and then let's again rotate them. Okay, now we've got our this cross section. Now let's delete the faces so that we can merge the edges. I'll control delete these both. Let's merge. Make sure you're merging this edge with this edge, so you'll get the proper shape. Press OK. We got the proper shape. Now coming to the face of the cup, let's use the, okay, first let's delete the upper face. Select delete, and this edge will edit form to center. Will bring them to close by so that we can, depends how much ever thickness you want. I've taken 0.783. okay, the same thing, let's go to the back side. Let's bring it down, right? Okay, finish form. Our form is done. Cup is also almost done. Let's just patch the two edges. Make sure you select the proper edge, patch, boundary edges, this edge. Yeah, it will automatically connect to the edge which it wants to patch. Okay, so we are done. What's the time for him? Show them.
We are at 2 minutes and 5 seconds.
2 minutes and 5 seconds. Okay, that's not bad. We are done with the cup, but in case you want to crease the edges, we can go to head feature in forms. We'll crease. Okay, crease is nothing but making them straight instead of curve near the handle part. That will be a better look. Okay, finish form. Okay, we are done with the form body. It looks pretty cool. It's already filleted and everything. So one disadvantage here is that you won't get the drawing from design. Okay, I'll save it first. You'll have an error saying that the design contains neither solid bodies nor sketches. A drawing cannot be created through forms. So this is one disadvantage. Other than that, simulation, you can simulate, you can animate, you can render, you can do whatever you want except for drawing. Okay, fine. On the timer.
Wait, see?
Started to sketch.
Yeah.
This profile, let's make a 2-point rectangle, center point rectangle. Let's give the same dimensions as before. It was 100 tab 100. Sketch. Let's extrude it. Again 150. Done. It's a cup, so we need to shell it out. 5 mm. Yeah. Okay. Now let's make the handle. To make the handle, we need to create a sketch here. Like that. 2-point rectangle, center point rectangle again. Make a 20 tab 35. Yeah. Another rectangle in line with this, or you can just make it anywhere and just use the constraints. Okay, that is center point. You have a 20, tap 35. Yeah, done. Finish sketch. We need to make a spline from this one so that we can loft it. Create sketch. Done. In this plane. So which plane is that? XZ. Yeah, XZ plane. Spline will come from this point. To here and to the center. Yeah, that looks good. You can pull it out in whatever direction you want. Finish sketch. Just pull off the profiles. Selecting this profile first. Yeah, this profile. But through a center line, that would be looks good. Say okay. So we're done with cup mostly, but now we need to fillet all the edges. This is really time consuming. Say 15. Looks good. Outside edges. Will it work? Yeah. Okay. Select even these. Five. One. Two. Does not look good. So we're done with the cup. What's the time?
It is 3 minutes and 19 seconds.
Not bad. Okay, that took 2 minutes. It's taking 3 minutes. But the advantage of this is we can do everything. We can even draw. Save it first. Take the home view. 1:2. Or 1:1. We didn't mention any parts in the parts table. You could have put ceramic. It's fine. So parts table. So we can get a drawing with the help of sketches and solids, but forms we can't get it. That's the difference between both of them. If you have any doubts, please do comment it in the comment section. If you have any ideas on how to design it more faster than my method, do list them out in the comment section. Also check out my Instagram as well as Facebook page. Link is available in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. Do like and share if you enjoyed it. I'll be coming with even better ideas every week. Don't forget to subscribe.